Hi, welcome back and welcome to my channel GG Agra or the Techie Krish. So in my last video I discussed the AI model Google Gemini. It is like Chat GPT, Cloud AI, Educate AI, POE, and there are so many platforms of artificial intelligence which are very useful in education. So here also I am discussing Google Gemini, and it plays very vital role in the education. And since I discussed in my last video what is Google Gemini and what can this Gemini do for us or the human beings, and I'm going I'm taking you to the journey of Google Gemini, and take every application, each application one by one, and different days on different videos. So today I'm going to discuss how to create the application using Google Gemini. So let's move to our presentation and the hands-on. So this was the last slide of the presentation. So in this presentation I'm going to discuss all these applications or hands-on on these applications. So first application is write an application to the principal ABC Public School Kanpur in Hindi. Point to be noted, I'm going to create the application in Hindi asking for the 1 week leave for your brother, your brother's marriage to be held in Delhi, and from the student name Ravi Kumar 7th A. So how does Google Gemini creates this application? So let's see. So from here I load Google Gemini, and I have written all the prompts in the document. I have written all the prompts in the document. So same here, in the same way, in the same context, I'm going to copy this application, write an application to the principal ABC Public School Kanpur in Hindi asking for 1 week leave for from 25th June to 30th June for my brother's marriage to be held in Delhi from Ravi Kumar 7th A. So I'm going to copy this. This is what? This is a prompt, and I want a concrete solution from Google Gemini, and I'll copy this prompt from this document to Google Gemini. Okay, so let's move to our Google Gemini, copy, and then paste it in Gemini. So this is Gemini interface. Here I have pasted what I have copied from the document. See here, the same prompt I have copied and pasted in the prompt box or the dialog box, and from here it will generate an application. So see here, when I say generate, it keeps generating the application. So see here, the application layout. You must be mesmerized to know this, that Google Gemini can create the application in Hindi or other language as well. So here you see, प्रधाचार्य महोदया महोदय ABC पब्लिक स्कूल कानपुर ऋषभ भाई की शादी हेतु सप्ताह के अवकाश के संबंध में. So see here the entire application which we have to give to the principal as a student, Google Gemini has created successfully. And in the end, सधन्यवाद आपका आज्ञाकारी शिष्य Ravi Kumar 7th A. And now what I can do, I can copy this content from here. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to copy this. After writing or checking the application. This is complete application. Now I am going to copy the content and paste it in the document or in the page, and file menu from the file menu see here, from the file menu I'll select the print option to print the document through the printer, and after printing that document we can submit this to the principal. So this is how we can create the application. So in this video I created the application, and in my next video I'll try to create the lyrics for the song. How does Google Gemini create the lyrics for the song? But for that song I also need a prompt. So I'll do this task in my next video. Till then, we'll discuss about Google Gemini. So this is how we can create the application in Google Gemini, and this is just resembles the chat GPT also. And if you want to create this application in Google Gemini, if you want to create this application in Claude, the same can be created, but the difference is of the Unicodes, means languages, whether the platform supports different languages or not. So if the platform supports all the languages, then there is no need to use Google Gemini. But specifically Google Gemini uses all the educational all the Indian languages in which you can compose anything. You can draft the application, you can draft thesis also. So you can apply this in your day-to-day task. So if you like this video, kindly share and subscribe, and if you have not subscribed the channel, kindly share it and subscribe it and press the bell icon, so that as and when new video is created you get the notification. So till then, bye bye.